In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer PowerPoint slides to Google Slides. By the end, you'll be able to pull slides from an existing deck and place them neatly into a Google Slides presentation you're working on. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Google account. On the Google Slides homepage, look for the recent presentations section. This is where your most recently edited files appear. Click the presentation that you want to add slides into. This receiving presentation can be a new deck or an existing one. Either works. Once your presentation is open, go to the menu at the top and click File. From that menu, choose Import Slides. This opens a dialog that lets you bring slides in from another file. In the dialog, click My Drive to browse your Google Drive. Navigate to the PowerPoint or Google Slides file you want to import from, then click it to select it. Think of this as choosing the source deck. After selecting it, proceed by clicking Insert or the equivalent action to load its slides into the import preview. You'll now see a grid of slide thumbnails from the source file. Click the slides you want to import to highlight them. You can select multiple slides by clicking each one, use Shift-click to select Arrange, or choose Select All if you need every slide. Take a moment to confirm that the thumbnails look right, especially if the original file used custom fonts or layouts. Before finalizing, note that Google Slides may offer a choice to keep the original theme or match the destination theme. Keeping the source theme preserves the look of the incoming slides. Matching the destination theme helps everything feel consistent. Pick whichever makes the most sense for your project. When you're ready, click Import Slides. Google Slides will add the selected slides directly into your open presentation. From there, you can drag to reorder, right-click to delete any slide you no longer need, and adjust formatting if something shifts during the transfer. Saving happens automatically in Google Slides, so there's nothing extra you need to do to preserve your changes. That's it. You went to Google Slides, opened your target presentation from recent, used File and Import Slides, chose the source in My Drive, highlighted the slides you needed, and clicked Import Slides to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy about presenting.